Hello, I am making this short because I thought this part right there where he gets demolished by the pistol was really funny because he was just like camping in a corner with like an insane loadout and he got completely demolished. And also I really need subscribers because I have over 300 views and I only have 2 subscribers, which means under 0.1% of people are subscribed, which is extremely bad. So maybe we can get, like, let's go for 5 subscribers off this video. Yeah. So just subscribe. There's also a video that took me and my friend Sean like 2.5 hours to make, and it has 0 views right now, so that will be in the description. Hopefully you watch that, and if you made it this far, then you make it farther than 78% of my viewers. So thank you.